see that giant inflatable tank with the integrated water cannon drifting across your screen. And your immediate thought is how much your friends would lose their minds seeing you captain that thing. It looks like the ultimate summer upgrade. The company behind it is Float Factory. They have carved out a huge niche with these high-energy pool toys. You have probably seen the ads for their flagship tank float. It is a massive green inflatable that actually lets you fire water at people. The website looks incredibly polished. It has that professional sheen that makes you want to click buy without a second thought. But before you drop your hard-earned cash on a floating fortress, you need to look under the hood. I did some digging into their background. The domain for their shop was registered back in July of 2022. In the world of online shopping, that is actually a decent sign. It means they are not some fly-by-night operation. They did not just pop up yesterday. They will not disappear with your money tomorrow. They have some history. They have a track record. However, having a history does not mean every single transaction is going to be a dream. Independent analysis gives the site a moderate trust score. That is the internet equivalent of a yellow light. It is not telling you to stop. It is telling you to proceed with your eyes wide open. One of the biggest traps people fall into is the discount fever. You see a huge markdown. Suddenly, you feel like you are winning. You feel like you have to act now or you will miss out. That sense of urgency is a powerful tool. It makes you skip the boring stuff. You skip the shipping policy. You skip the return rules. For something like an inflatable pool toy, those details are everything. These are plastic items filled with air. Once you open that box, the return window usually slams shut. If you find a leak after you've already used it in the pool, you might be out of luck. Most companies are very strict about returns on used inflatables. This is often for hygiene and safety reasons. You also have to consider the shipping times. These items might be coming from far away. If you are planning a big event for next week, you might be disappointed. Your gear might still be sitting in a warehouse across the ocean. My final take is that Float Factory is a legitimate business. It is not an obvious scam, but it is also not entirely risk-free. You have to play it smart. Use a credit card. Use a payment service with strong buyer protection. Never use a debit card for these kinds of viral purchases. If the product arrives damaged, you want protection. If it never shows up, you want your money back. Take screenshots of the product description. Save your confirmation numbers. As soon as that package hits your doorstep, open it up. Check every single seam. Do a test run before the big pool party starts. You do not want to be the one with a sinking ship. A little bit of homework goes a long way. You want to spend your summer splashing around. You do not want to be fighting with customer service over a leaky plastic tank. Stay informed and keep your summer fun as stress-free as possible. If you are looking at that water cannon and thinking about the epic battles ahead, just make sure you have your receipts ready. It is better to be prepared than to be frustrated. High-quality summer gear is an investment in your free time. Treat it that way, and you will have a much better experience. Keep your eyes on the details and enjoy the sun.